And welcome guys to the Mawejje family. It's your girl Precious.
And it's your boy Rogers. Yes guys, today we are going to be showing you how you compliment your partner. For us, it has worked for us. We always compliment each other, and trust me, there is so much bond that has been built just because of compliments.
Yes guys, I remember, by the way, the time we used to date, the first time we did a video call. That time you're still my boyfriend. He told me, Precious, you look so attractive and beautiful like Burj Khalifa.
Wow.
I still remember that. I was like, Burj Khalifa, what is Burj Khalifa? When I went on to search, guys, I saw that Burj Khalifa is one of the nicest, beautifulest, tallest buildings in Dubai. So every time I could go to the mill, I'm like, wow, do I look like Burj Khalifa? Burj Khalifa. I look at the building, I look at myself. So compliments really works.
Yeah, they do.
In a relationship, in marriage, to your partner, they work.
Yeah. In fact, if you have not been applying them in your relationship, just know today, in today's video, if you start applying them, you're going to see a change in your relationship.
Yes guys, we are going to start right now. So make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, guys. Let's get into it.
Yes guys, when you want to compliment your partner on the body, any body part, for us, we don't do it in an ordinary way. That is no. You can't say, sweetheart, I like your eyes. No. I like your number, your Kenya Nairobi. No. I like your flat tummy. No, that is ordinary way. You know, you want to compliment, give it time. Don't say in seconds you throw a compliment from nowhere.
Take your time.
Take your time, at least 1 minute. For example, if I want to compliment my wife, her eyes, I say, you know what, my wife, you know these guys, I always hear Miss Uganda, Miss World. If they were Miss Wife, you could take it. Do you know why? They have never considered the eyes. Those eyes, I'm telling you, the way you roll them. You could be Miss Wife if they could be nominating that way.
Oh, wow.
You see, how did you feel?
I felt like melting, guys.
You see,
imagine being called Miss Wife.
Miss Wife,
because
of the eyes. You see, so you don't go straight away, but you go. You know, you formulate something, and you make it happen.
Yes, guys. So if you're a lady out there, you want to compliment your man or your partner. By the way, you don't need to call your partner by name. I hear a lot of people saying, Rogers, George, what? No.
By the way, Rogers, for me, I hear her calling me Rogers here in
the video.
In YouTube.
I have never called my husband with his name. I even sometimes forget his name, by the way.
Yes.
But on this video, sometimes we mention it.
We do it.
You know. So if you're a lady, you know what you do? You say, you know what, my king. My husband, or my chibubu. I love your American sex height. Wow. You know, you compliment them in a very nice way to press the right button.
Yes.
You don't just say, George, what, you're looking smart. No. I love how you look.
How can someone call you a king and you don't give them your dynasty?
you know, you tell him, God made you perfectly for me.
Wow.
You tell them, this American height, I love it.
Yes.
That's how you compliment, not just, I love how you look. Compliment them in a way that they'll even feel like taking you to dinner.
Of
away.
Of course. By the way, what you have told me, I'm taking you to dinner.
Wow.
Right away.
I'll remind you after this video.
Yes, guys. And the other thing, apart from the body, I'm sure you have learned there. What about their attitude? You know, even if your partner's attitude is not that much right, the way you compliment them can improve them or worsen it. You see, true. So if you want to compliment your partner about their attitude, so you know how you do it.
Yes. Tell
You
us.
know, you even go closer to them.
Okay.
You know what, my wife? I love the way you support me.
Wow.
Even when I'm wrong, you find a way. You find
better way.
a better way to cover me,
To
tell me everything that I even never knew about.
Wow.
I really love the way you see things. You are such a wonderful and a positive woman that I've ever met.
Wow.
Imagine that.
Eh.
So even if they they didn't do it right, they will go back in checkup. Every time it will provoke them. I support, but I didn't support them. You see, that's how you compliment about their attitude.
Yeah.
To change it, to uplift them. But what you're doing?
I don't like it.
I don't like it.
Also like I don't like it.
I don't like it. Me.
It can't make anyone better by it's how we approach it.
We are all learning from one another and uplifting one another.
Yes, guys. So if you're a lady and you want to compliment your husband's or your partner's attitude, here is how. You don't go to your husband even if things are not working well, even if you know he can't provide, things are not moving, money is not everywhere. You know, as a wise woman,
yes,
you go to your husband, you touch them. You know what, my husband, or you know what, my partner, or my king. You know what? I thank God for you. Wow. I thank God because I know you are figuring things out.
Wow.
You are making things right.
Wow.
I trust your vision
about
this family and this marriage. I know things will work out.
Wow.
Even if you know things are not working out, things are not going anywhere, or you are not seeing light at the end of the tunnel, the way you compliment your partner, your attitude when you're saying it matters a lot.
Do you know what it means to say you a wife or a lady or a girlfriend? You know what? You go closer to them. You know what? I trust your vision. I know you're going to figure this out.
Only that it can provoke
them to make ways and look for a better way to work them out. They will feel like you trust them. Just a simple compliment.
By the way, me, I do it to my husband. I do it to my husband. He does it to me.
Yes.
Mostly he knows me sometimes when I'm pissed off. He knows how to come and compliment. I end up laughing sometimes. So if you apply this, trust me, it works.
Will work.
You don't go to your partner when you know they're maybe they've done something wrong. You go and add salt and pepper, everything there. What comes there is a nuclear bomb. So you need to know how to diffuse bombs, you see. That can really work.
Oh yeah. Yes, guys, and another thing to compliment about is their work ethic. Your partner's work ethic. For me, I always compliment her.
Yeah,
I say, wow, you see what, my wife? Every time I see a new home, it has never, every time I see a clean home, a new home, I love the way you clean here.
Wow.
I love the way you clean the utensils. I love the way, I really love it, the way you organized. I love the way you work. I love your work ethic.
Yeah. By the way, that's wisdom. Because even if your partner is not clean, is very lazy, everywhere is dirty, compliment them in a way that will provoke them.
Yes.
Even if they don't wash dishes, even if the house is disorganized, tell them, you know what, my wife, I love how organized you are. I love how clean you are and how you organize everywhere. It can provoke someone.
Yeah.
Everything is up, down, but my husband is complimenting me well. That's wisdom.
It is wisdom.
Because once you bomb someone or just shoot just like that, the way they receive it might even make them worse.
Yeah.
So that's good, by the way. By the way, for me, let me testify this, or let me tell people. My husband, whenever he's pouring water to drink, because me, I boil water, I put in a 5 liter.
My wife, we have told them also.
No. He takes the 5 liter. He pours water. Water spills down everywhere. Do you know what I do, guys? I say, wow, my husband, I love how you pour water. And I love how you wipe it after pouring it down. I see someone going to take a cloth to wipe. Because he does that every time. And I compliment him on that.
Now I'm even more careful
when
I'm pouring, because I know she compliments.
I compliment him.
But
I don't even
way.
say, hey, why do you always pour water down? Why can't you see the cup? No. After he pours, I say, wow, I love how you pour your water. I love how you splash it down, and after that wipe it so well. You see, and he does it. So imagine if I was saying, hey, you could always repeat it.
Yeah, guys, that is wisdom, really.
Wisdom.
You know, even to avoid the quarrels, replace quarrel criticism with the compliments.
Yes.
It's going to drive your relationship crazy.
That's
this is 21st century, guys. And you know what we're talking about.
Yes, you need wisdom.
Yes, another wonderful thing that you should compliment about your partner is
their manners.
Their manners. You know, she says manners, me I say manners.
Okay, manners.
Their manners.
Their manners.
You know, I always, in fact, if you watched the video, the way she was, she walked the way she walked. I said the whole package from Zim. You get. I always say that, but also, for example, now she started. You know, in Uganda, women, they kneel down when they are greeting their husbands or when they are giving their husband something. She wasn't doing it, but now when she came and gave me a breakfast, I said, wow, I love the way you give me breakfast. You kneel down like a little Uganda woman.
Imagine they are not kneeling.
She wasn't kneeling. You kneel down, I'm telling you. Me, I made the best choice ever. Wow. That's what I told her. I made the best choice ever because you're a Muganda, you're a Zimbabwean, you can kneel down while greeting your husband. The next day, I saw her kneeling down. I saw her greeting me kneeling down. I said, wow, this works. Try it and see.
It can work, ladies. You know, I know in relationships things happen. People unveil their true colors sometimes, mostly in marriage. There are things they don't tell you, this is what you're going to see. Even if your husband throws out things everywhere, their manners are not okay upside down. You don't go on the side of bombing, like telling them what they are doing bad. No. If they throw clothes after entering the house, they throw a tie there, they throw a shoe there, their bag there, their jacket there. You know what you say? As you are picking them, wow, my husband, I love how organized you are. I love how organized you are. You see where you put your jackets, you see where you put, you are picking. Even if they do it 2 times, keep complimenting them. There's a conscience that will tell them, hey, this is bad. But if you tell them, can't you see where to put it? Why can't you put your jacket there? No, they will keep doing it.
In fact, they will feel disrespected.
They will feel so much disrespected and they will never change.
Yeah.
So the wise way of a lady, when you're complimenting your husband or your partner on their manners, tell them, you know what? I love how organized you are. I love how clean you are. I love how you know where to put your shoes after coming from work, where to put your tie, what, and you're picking them, you go put them.
You see that?
Yes.
So guys, these are the compliments if you want your partner to fall more in love with you.
Yeah.
To keep your relationship, whether it's a girlfriend, whether it's a wife, even if you have not got any partner, and we know this video is preparing you well.
Well. Compliments works. They cover a lot of things.
Yes.
Yes, guys, I hope this video was so useful to you. I hope you've learned something, guys. Complimenting works. For us, we do it. Most of the times we share what we do. We do it all the time. Even if I see something I don't like about my partner, I always find a wise way to say it that will not provoke them or make them angry. So I hope you learned something, guys. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. If you are a returning subscriber, we love you so much. See you in our next lit video. Mwah.